everybody, this is Gretchen the Green Lady, and on today's episode we're going to talk about combining like flowers and like plants that have the same water needs, the same sun needs, and how to tell which ones are just that, the ones that have full sun or the ones that may have shade needs. So stay tuned. Today we are at a garden center and I want to show you a clue on how to find plants for full sun or for shade. So here I'm videoing all the beautiful plants in the full sun, and that's where you want to grow them. There's so many varieties, so many beautiful plants, but the ones that are in sun are the ones that you want to choose for that same location. Okay, let's read our tag. It says full sun. All right, so we'll start with a full sun container. We're buying full sun to part shade plants. Now I know you're seeing the zinnia going, oh, that's full sun. Oh, that coleus, but she doesn't have non-stop sun. So here's our combination. We have zinnias, beautiful coleus. We have this beautiful speckled little you say that, hypostasis. Anyway, it just makes the nicest little filler, and our spiller is going to be our variegated potato vine. Of course, we have a little pop of yellow. Today, I'm going to put a combination of plants together that are great for full sun and with a little bit of shade. My friend and I went to a garden center that went on forever. Oh, so many great choices. So we're going to combine these. Hold on and see what we do. All right, so I have several plants that we're going to combine. And there's this little saying, fillers, thrillers, and spillers. So I put my zinnia in here. This is my thriller. Now this is going to get tall, but my friend loves these for cut flowers, and she's absolutely right when it concerns that. All right, so we have some great little fillers. Look at this hypestes. Look at that beautiful little pink and green leaf. We also have some pink and white alyssum. What's not to love? And look at this potato vine, that beautiful variegated. See the little hints and little touches and kisses of lavender? Those are going to be some of our spillers. We actually have 2 spillers. Look at this. More of a succulent, more of a trailer. All right, let's continue to put this together. We have coleus. These are a little leggy, but we can pinch them back. I'm going to put those next to my zinnias. It's nice to fill your container up, then it doesn't take quite so long. Let's get some of our fillers in there. When you're taking plants out of the cell packs, kind of squish from the bottom, and if you need to turn them upside down, you don't want to pull by the base of your plant, especially if it's a tender plant. I'll put these in the middle. Put one white. Oh, look at that. Yes. Oh, we just happen to have 2 of the pretty lavender. Look at that. Oh, goodness. Okay, I might move that back a bit, because this will spill as well, but it's also a good filler. Now we're going to put some of our little polka dotted green goodies, hypestes. Squeeze the bottom and let them slide out. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Isn't it exciting? Now, we have 2 spillers, but because this one appears that it will trail a little bit more left and right, I'm going to set that in and then set this right in front of it. Okay, this was called a mizu. Look at those leaves. Oh my goodness. They almost feel like a succulent. So I'm gonna set that near the back, middle. I gotta make some room in here. Okay. All right. And our last one to go in will be our variegated potato vine. And that's really gonna spill over the edge. Look at those beautiful roots. Now I'm gonna break those up a little bit. We've got a lot of soil in here. I might have to take a little out. Push that down in there. Ooh, it's gonna be snug. There we go. You know what? Can you see what's going on here? This one's lower than my potato vine. I'm gonna switch them out. I'm gonna put this one in the front and put this one in the back. Let's do that. This is a good time to do it while you're putting everything in. There we go. All right. Where's my little coals? Move this over to the edge. See, now's the time to do it while the soil is soft and the roots haven't settled down in here. Oh my goodness. So we combined our plants for a full sun container. And remember, when you're looking for what to put together, read the tag. The tag has all the information you need. If it doesn't, go ahead and go on your phone. My friend and I were on her phone having a good time. But this is how you do it. If you're not sure which plants to combine, when you're at a garden center, look at what's outside in the full sun. There's your answer for that. Look what's inside under the shaded areas, and there's your answer for that. Your shady plants love the shade. Your sunny plants can handle the sun. But this has been Gretchen the Green Lady, and I want you to get out there and enjoy your gardening and get your hands dirty. So I have, wait a minute.
You have what?
Hair in my mouth, lip gloss. Okay.